Hi dear children, good afternoon. This is the supporting video of today's class. Children, today we have learned a letter sound K. What is K? Okay, we have already learned A and B. So children, let's see once again how to write the letter sound A and B. Okay, this is the formation of the letter sound A. And next we are going to see how to write the letter sound B. Okay, children, this is the formation of the letter sound B. Which sound is this? Yes, very good. This is the letter sound B. B. Okay. Okay, my dears, today we are going to learn the letter sound K. What is K? Okay, I will show you how to write the letter sound K and what is K. Are you ready, children? Okay, let's see. All of you listen very carefully. Children, this is the formation of the letter sound K. This is K. Okay. This is the formation of letter sound K. Okay, children, let's sing a beautiful rhyme for the letter sound K. Are you ready, children? Okay, let's sing together. Okay, come on. Caterpillar's coughing, caterpillar's coughing, caterpillar's coughing, is the sound of sea. Okay, children, today's class is over. Today we have learned the letter sound K. We have learned how to write and how to trace the letter sound K. Okay? Children, if you have any doubts, please WhatsApp me. Thank you, children. Bye.